Today we'll see how to use modify commands in Revit. Alright, so we'll create new project. Just go to here, new, and we'll choose, you can choose imperial architectural or metric architectural, is your own choice. I will choose metric architectural template and click OK. So new project has been created, as you can see. Alright, so here is the modify panel. You can see, we will see all how we can use these commands. Alright, modify commands. Let me draw something. For example, go to architectural tab and take wall command, and I will draw just wall here so that we can see how the modify commands will work. Alright, I will draw some walls here. Any walls you can draw simply, alright, to understand commands. Then I will go architectural and component, and just I will place component also to understand better how actually will work. Okay, now I have some components and some elements in Revit. So now you have to select any component, then you will go to modify. As you select it, you can see the modify circulation bar is automatically open. First we'll start from here, that is called move. If you want to move any object in Revit, so you can select this object and you need to click on move. The shortcut key, you can see MV is the shortcut key for the move command. And you can see the tiny description how you can move the element in Revit. Select this one. Now you have to define the base point, okay, from where you want to pick. I want to pick from here. Now you can define the distance as well. Now you can see the distance is occurring. Alright, so you can also mention like 3000 millimeter. Now it will move 3000 from that point to here. Okay, so simple. You can select this one and you can also press MV from the keyboard shortcut. No need to press enter. Now click and select any base point, then you can just move like that. Alright, if you want to move, it's very simple. But while you are moving object here, so here you have some option. Okay, here you have constraint and disjoint. Constraint means the straight movement. If you click here, now if you will move it, now you will see it will move straight. Look at this, right? It will move only horizontal and vertical. Select again and just move tool and click constraint. Now you will see it will move only down and up and left and right only. You can move like ortho in AutoCAD. Alright, you can move like that. Here you have one option more here. If you will move command and disjoint, how the disjoint will work. Look at here, if you are moving this wall from here to here, okay, now you will see the other wall has been trimmed as well, right? So if you want to make this wall separate, you want to disjoin this wall from this wall, then you will click on disjoin option. When you click on disjoin, now you will see the wall will be separated from here. Alright, again, for example, this wall is joined, you can join like this. Okay, now you want to disjoin, select this one and move tool, and here disjoint is clicked. Now if you will move this one, so it will be disjoint, the wall will not be extended or trimmed. Alright, so disjoint and constraint you can use. Same command you have with the copy. Alright, so here you have next command is copy, similar to move, but it will create duplicate. Click here, so it has three options. It has constraint, disjoint and multiple. Constraint means straight like ortho, you can create a copy like that. You can provide distance as well if you wanted to. Then you have multiple copy, click here, and if you choose multiple, then you can create multiple copies of the object. Click again and it will continue like that if you want to create like this. Alright, escape. Disjoin again, here you have disjoin. For example, if the wall is joined with this wall, now you want to disjoin and you want to copy this one. So select this one, you can click again, copy command. Now you can just define any of the point, okay, because it's ortho, alright, that's why it's not moving any other. You need to constrain, okay. So now you will see it's copying, multiple and also disjoin as well. You can join as well like that. So multiple copies you can do as well, and you can join, disjoin and constraint, three options you can use. Alright, let's see what else next command we have. The most important command in Revit is align command. Okay, I use this command a lot, and it's used also to trim and extend the wall as well, and also to align objects as well. First of all, if you click align command in modify, alright, here is align command. If you click here, now you have to define the reference, the baseline, okay, or the target object through which you want to align. For example, if you will click on this wall, right now it's become your target. So you want to align the objects with this line, the boundary you can say. And you click on any edge. If you click on this edge, it will be aligned to this wall. Same now, if you click here, right, it will not align. It will become again the base. Why? If you want to do multiple alignment, okay, just go align, and here you have multiple align. Just click this one, and you can also prefer, you can choose also the center core, wall center line. If you have this wall center line, if there is center line, you can click also like that. We have multiple as well. If you click here, so it will be aligned as well. When you click here, it will be aligned as well because it's overlapping. So you can align this as well. All right. So like how you can use this one. Again, when you are aligning, you can align wall as well. Okay. If you select this one, go to align, and you can extend actually this one. All right. Just click, this one. So you can align this wall as well. I want to extend this wall to this. Just I will go to align command and just click reference because I have selected wall center line. All right. Wall faces. Okay. Then you can zoom it, and you can just click wall faces as well. Now it will select wall faces. Now click here, it will extend as well. Click here, it will extend as well. Just click escape 2 times to cancel command. One option you may see here, right, that's the lock is coming when you are doing alignment. Click on alignment, and now if you click this reference object, now if you click here, now you will see the lock will appear. What does it mean? It means if you will click this lock, now it's locked with the wall. If you will move wall, so the table will move also, right? The desk will move also. So lock mean like this. So you cannot move individually because it's locked with this. You have to unlock, then you can move this one, right? So while alignment, you can use this one as well. Okay. So that's how you can use alignment command. All right. So here we have align. So here wall faces, multiple alignment you can use. As I told you, you can do as extend and trim of the wall as well. Okay, next command is offset, right? Offset mean if you click here, so offset means to create a copy of the object at parallel distance. All right, so click here, and you have to decide the distance. All right, if you click here, now here for example 500 millimeter. Now if you click on the wall, so it will create copy of the wall like that. Like that you can create a copy at parallel distance. Same, you have numerical and graphical. Numerical means you can create, like you can just give the values for 1000 millimeter, it will create copy. If you want to just move, just uncheck this copy, and now it will move. So you can also move objects like that. Graphical means you can select this one, all right, then offset, and here we have graphical. Graphical means you can click, and from here you can define like this. All right, from here to here. All right, for example, select this one and define the distance. So this is the distance you have defined, right? Like 400, 4,400, right? So you can also create this. All right, so you can use this offset command as well. The next command we have here, that is called mirror. 2 type of command we have here: mirror pick axis, and we have mirror draw axis. For example, here you have this table, all right? So you want to mirror this table, this side also, and this is your pick axis wheel. So select this one and click on mirror command. Mirror pick axis. Click here, just pick the axis. Now you will see it will create copy here as well. If you want to draw axis, you can draw axis as well. Select this one, and here we have draw axis. Click here and just make your axis like AutoCAD, then it will create copy as well. So you can use mirror as well. All right, so like you have door here, you want to insert door here, you can just use mirror. For example, architectural and door, I will place for example door here. Now I want to mirror this side as well. Select this one, then mirror pick axis, pick this axis. Now door has been mirrored. All right, so you can use the mirror command like pick axis or draw axis as well. Let's see what else. Next command we have, go to modify. Then we have rotate. If you want to rotate object at any angle, so select this one and go to rotate command. The shortcut key you can see RO. Here you have to, this is the center point of rotation here, right? So it will rotate from the center point. Click here. Now you can define the angle. For example, you want to rotate 45 angle. But what if you want to change the center point, the point of rotation or pivot point? Then click the rotate tool, and here is the place. Click here. I want to change the point, pivot point. Just click here. Now you can see the place point has been changed. Now you just move and give any angle here. Then you can just rotate any object. Right? Select again, and here you have rotate. What else we have? You have disjoint, you have copy, you have angle. Both option you can use. For example, if you want to create a copy of the object, yes, you can create copy as well, like this. At this angle you want to create copy, you need to check this copy command. Click here. Now it will be copied as well. So that's how you can use this one. For example, I have here, if you want to use as an array, let me see how you will use actually. Go to architectural, and here model line, and these are just the 2D artwork you want to do. So I want to rotate this table around this circle, and I want to copy as well. So select this one and go to rotate command and copy and click on place. Sorry, I don't want to rotate this circle, I want to rotate table. Click here, then go to rotate command and change its place, and also click on copy, place, and change the place in the center. Right now from here you just want to rotate. Look at this. And you can provide angle as well. For example, I want to rotate at 45 angle and I want to copy. I will see by using this circle reference you have rotated this and you got a copy as well. Alright, so you can use an in place of polar array, right? You can use the rotate command as well. Very useful. Okay, let's see what else command we have in modify. Okay, next command we have, which is most used command in Revit, this one. This is called trim extend to corner. Most used command. It will do trim as well as it will do extend. Both function it will perform, but you have to choose the right edge. For example, you have wall here, exactly go to wall and just draw wall, right? Wall, and draw here like this. You have this wall, all right, and you have exactly this wall as well, and you have wall here as well. Now what do you want to do? You want to trim this two and you want to join these two walls. So go to trim and extend, click this wall and click this one. It will give you the dotted line as well, what shape it's going to create, right? Same here, you will click this one and click this one. Now you will see it's defined. Okay, same here, click here and click here, so it's defined as well, right? So that's how you can use this trim and extend. Both function you can perform. Next command is trim extend single element. All right, for example, click here and click this one, it's the same like a line. If you remember, we studied this one, we just selecting the reference target object. Now if you click, so it will extend. All right, so if you have multiple objects, and then you can use multiple trim and extend as well. For example, go to architecture and you have wall here and you want to extend these two walls till this middle. Then go to again modify commands and here all right, multiple elements, trim extend. So select the target and click here and click here. Now you have aligned multiple. Then click here. Now you can refine this one. Look at this. Now the direction is very important. You see, I did the wrong direction. That's why I cancel this one and click this one and this one. Now you got the result. So direction like a fillet, and we are doing in AutoCAD. Okay, so you can use this one. Okay, so that's how you can use this trim and extend, all three commands. Next we have here split element, right? Sometime you have to take help of this split one. So split means just break a wall from anywhere like this. Just click. Just click. Now you will go architecture, modify, and you can use trim and extend. Now you can click here and click here. Now like that. Sometime you have to take, because if you will not break, this operation will not be helpful. Look like this. So you can split anywhere. You can cut the whole wall from here. If you want to cut with the gap, just click here, then it will create a gap. How much gap you can see here? 25. Let's see the maximum gap you can create. Okay, I will give this one and look at this. Only 3 or 4.8 units you can just create a gap, right? Now it's a gap. With the gap you want to cut, you can cut as well. If you go to 3D and you will see here, actually it's cutting here with the gap. Look at this, right? I'll come back to here. Okay, next we have is pin and unpin. Pin means lock. If you want to lock any object in Revit, select this one and click on pin icon. When it's pinned means it's locked. You cannot move it, right? You cannot delete it even, right? If you want to do any action, you have to unpin either from here or just click on this to unpin. Now it's unpinned. Then here you have one option. This is called delete. You can click here as well and you can delete it, right? So that's how you can use pin, unpin, and this one delete item. Next we have scale, right? We use scale command also. For example, if you have any wall and you want to scale it, then you can also do it. Go to scale command and select the object and enter. Then the base point from here you want until here. Now you can just make it scale how much you want, right? So it's very easy. If you want to do again, just go to architecture and a wall. Here you have wall. Then here go to modify and here you have this command RE for the option for the scale. Now you have to select object and enter, right? Now you have graphical or numerical, two types. If you go to numerical and here scale factor, I want, for example, 5 times bigger. Now from which point you want, right? So you want from the middle, just click here. Now it's become 5 times bigger than the original one, right? So graphical you can do as well as you can do with this, right? So these all are the commands in modify panel. Only the left is array command that we will see later.